that's the quantity. This is of course market. This is a market, okay, sort of market. And then say
There's this exhibition near here. Seems very weird because in China we will not put like this in the hall. This kind of means funeral. No, just
yeah.
you signing.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway.
Alright. Let me think. Let's see. Yep. Good?
Good. Come on.
Fantastic. No! No.
It's 12 o'clock now. I'm in the KFC midnight because I'm too hungry. I'm just coming from the. Oh, it's my meal. Oh, come on.
Thank you.
This is called Tabasco Smart Choice. I don't know what is Tabasco, but it's some kind of sauce, maybe. This is a leg part. Looks very nice, but let me try it. It tastes good. Tastes good. Not bad. It's too hot. Okay, next one is chicken. Chicken breast. It's very big. Really good. A lot of oil inside. A lot of fat. Yes, finished. I used 20 minutes. A mess. I gotta go back to my dorm and keep studying. I just so feel strange that in Korea they don't have the trash bin. I'm waiting for the traffic light near our school. Just myself. Oh, there's another guy cam. It's so late now. The Korean guys, they like party. This is our school, Aju 대학교. To be honest, I cannot say any Korean. I didn't learn since I came here, but I know how to pronounce, I know how to read, how to make sound, but I don't understand really. I'm kind of regret for not studying Korean here, because I already stayed here for more than 1 year. It's 1.5 years, so I regret I didn't study any Korean and I cannot communicate with Korean guys. That's awkward. Because I don't have enough time, I think I will just devote my time into filmmaking, music making, and then study because my major is in English. So I just study English class every day and no need for Korean language. Oh, but good. I'm leaving here now. I'm going to Netherlands. So I want to study Dutch in the summer vacation. So if I go to Dutch, it will be easier to communicate with the local people. But I know Dutch guys can speak English, but I still want to learn Dutch. Drum Festival, June 25, June 26. Oh. Hey, Sarah.
Hey, hi.
Hey. What's up?
That's what I'm saying. We don't know what it is.
Hey, man. Oh. You see that? This means a student in this university should not be over 20 years old. But I'm 21. This means one way. You can just go one way. I should have made videos since I can, but I was too busy maybe, but I didn't have this thing. Just when I see Casey Neistat blog, I just have an idea that I should have this on my own. Oh, it's too late now, because I'm gonna leave Korea after 2 weeks. So I just record as much as I can.